Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can transfer money from your Klarna card or Klarna account to your bank account. So let's get right into it. Klarna is a financial technology company and a financial technology payment method where you can use Klarna to pay on several online storefronts, as well as clothing stores and so on and so forth. And yeah, you can use it to pay, you can use it to pay later, like with a few payments, not just one single payment, and so on and so forth. And yeah, you can use it for a lot of different things, and it's very useful. I do implore you to check it out. However, I am here to tell you how you can transfer money from Klarna to your bank account, which you can do, and you don't need to register any new account or have money on your debit card or anything. All you need to do is just select Klarna as a payment method. Then you want to choose the bank and country where you want to transfer the money. Then you enter your bank information and make sure that it's correct. Once it's processed, you'll receive a code on your cell phone to validate it, and then enter the code in the app, and that should be it. It should be transferred. You will need to wait 1 to 3 business days for an answer, but that should be it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you in another video.